Okay, good day. So today I will discuss the introduction to agribusiness. So here I have here a definition of the term agribusiness. So, di ba, pag agribusiness, para siyang corporate, parang complicated siya. Pero, syempre yung agribusiness, it is an engine that feeds yung mundo natin. So, syempre, in agribusiness tayo yung isa sa mga contributor or sa mga gumagawa ng mga foods and feeds sa mundo. So, this definition, we have here the definition by Davis and Goldberg. It says here that agribusiness is all operations involved in the manufacture and distribution of farm supplies, production, operation on the farm, and the storage, processing, distribution of the resulting commodities and items. Ayan. There are so many important clues na sinabi dito sa definition. So, basically, itong definition na to, ina-outline lang nito yung entire food system. So, from the seed hanggang sa makapunta sa supermarket, yun yung sakop ng agribusiness. So, basically, sabi dito, the first part here, it says, manufacture and distribution of farm supplies. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung parang input sector. So, nandito yung mga ginagawa or kailangan in order to supply for the farm. So, tulad ng, let's say, yung mga companies na gumagawa ng mga fertilizers, mga pesticides, mga seeds, mga animal feeds, ano pa yung mga gumagawa din ng tractor. So, it is because of this input sector that farming is possible. So, syempre, kapag wala naman ng mga nasa input sector, yung farmer natin is hindi makakagalaw kasi wala siyang input in order to perform yung operation sa farm. So, kailangan natin itong input sector. And then, meron din dito production operation on the farm, or basically, it's the production sector. So, ito yung middle part. So, usually, ito yung iniisip ng mga tao kapag naririnig natin yung term na agriculture. Ibig sabihin, pag agriculture, nandito sila sa portion na to, sa area na to. So, syempre, pag agriculture, it is the actual growing, harvesting, and raising of crops and livestock. So, hindi lang mga hayop, pati syempre yung mga crops natin. But, even ito, it's still part of the business. So, let's say for example, yung farm, whether it is, let's say 5 hectares, ganyan, still, kailangan dun mag-manage ng labor, ng finances, ng mga risk, ng mga sales. So, ibig sabihin, business yun. Okay. Now, we also have here the storage, I mean, processing, distribution of the resulting commodities and items. So, ito naman yung processing and distribution sector. So, ibig sabihin, nandito na yung part na ginagawa na yung food para makarating sa mga consumers. So, it's the final part of the definition. So, syempre, once na yung farmer nag-harvest na sila ng kanilang, let's say, corn, saan yun napupunta? Nagigiba siyang cornflakes, nagigiba siyang animal feed. So, dito sa area na to, sa sector na to, dito nangyayari yung pag-convert ng mga raw agricultural products into final products. So, kasama dito yung nasa slaughterhouses, mga ganyan. Okay. Now, let's proceed to the next slide. So, sabi dito, in effect, agribusiness is more than agriculture. Yes, agribusiness is more than agriculture. So, hindi lang, kumbaga yung agribusiness, mas malawak yung sakop niya kaysa sa agriculture. It spans the entire supply chain from the seed to the shelf or from the pasture to the plate. So, malawak talaga. Hindi lang tayo magpo-focus sa production ng mga crops, ng mga livestock, but also on the management, how to convert it, processing, distribution, hanggang sa makarating ito sa mga consumers. So, yan. Now, let's proceed to the importance of agribusiness. So, sabi dito, first one is that it deals with agricultural sector and also with the proportion of industrial sector, which is the major source of farm inputs. Okay, so itong part na to, later on, mas maiintindihan natin to. So, si agribusiness is actually, marami siyang sector na nako-cover. So, hindi lang siya nakafocus sa production, but also on the input sector, industrial sector, manufacturing sector. Lahat yun is encompassing sa agribusiness. Kaya importante yung agribusiness. So, number 2, it suggests and directs government and private sectors for development of sub-sectors. So, ibig sabihin lang naman ito is that yung agribusiness para siyang navigator. Because, syempre, dahil yung mga professionals ng agribusiness is meron silang parang malawak na view o malaking view. Yung mga professionals, they can become consultants. They can give advices, ganun. So, if may nakikita silang, let's say, malaking opportunity para mag-export ng abaka, pwede nila yun malabit to the government para ma-improve yung mga kailangan or yung mga facilities or investment sa, let's say, sa storage ng abaka and so, ganun. So, importante yung agribusiness na talagang aral na aral natin siya or kumbaga gamay natin siya. And then, next one is that it contributes a good part of the national economy. So it's very obvious na because we are the stewards of kasamahan tayo ng agriculture when it comes to food security and all. Syempre, we are contributing to the national economy. So, syempre, because of agribusiness, nagkakaroon ng mga jobs. Ano pa? We are able to make sound decisions when it comes to management of farms, ganyan. So those are the importance of agribusiness.